Hi there, Jen here. As part of the Teams team here at Microsoft, I'm always looking for ways to make hybrid meetings more collaborative. 3 of my favorite ways to do this are using Microsoft Whiteboard, Loop components, and Excel Live. Let's try them out. To start your meeting with a little fun and to get to know your teammates better, use Whiteboard to play our favorite game, 2 Truths and a Lie. Once you've opened Whiteboard from the Share tray, you'll want to find the right template. Select the template's icon, then Games. From here, click the 2 Truths and a Lie button, then drag it over to the whiteboard. Everyone can add their name, type in their responses, then vote with stickers. If your team is figuring out what the next steps are in a project, use Loop in the chat. From the meeting chat, click on the Loop icon, and then Task List. Add a title and a task or two to get started. Once you hit send, everyone in the meeting can add to it, assign them, or even add deadlines, all at the same time during the meeting. You can also copy the link to share with others. Now, if you need to review project budget items, instead of sharing your screen and trying to capture everyone's input yourself, use Excel Live. Open the Share tray, scroll down until you see the Excel Live section. Select the document you want and share it. Now everyone can edit, filter, and add comments right in the meeting window while you're all reviewing things together. And these are just a few ways to encourage more collaboration. Try one out in your next meeting, and don't forget to subscribe for more Teams tips, how-tos, and what's new in Microsoft Teams.